Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can tip an agent on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the top right corner and then click on your profile image. Once you click on your profile image, under it, you're gonna find user center, order, warehouse, per sale, wallet, and lastly, logout. Go ahead and click on user center. And then right here, you're going to be here in the user center. Under it, you can find your card and you will find the items that are added to your card. And if you want to go to order, you're going to find the order section right here. So in this section, you will find all of your orders. So as you can see guys, I don't have any order yet. So you can go ahead and click on go to place an order and then from here search for any product that you want. For example, I'm going to search for shoes and as you can see guys, this is the shoes list. So this is how you can add a new order. As you can see guys here in the picture, this is how it will look like if you have the order list full. So as you can see guys from here, you're gonna find the product detail, unit price, quantity, order status, value added services, after sale, total amount, and others. So right here in others, you're gonna find right here two options, tip agent, and right here you're gonna find contact. So all you need to do guys right now is click on tip agent and then select the amount that you want to tip and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.